Hello, I'm Michael. Sometimes you've developed the solution for example, connecting two systems for exchanging data, and you want it to run 24 by 7 in the background. And in this case, you want to run your solution as a Windows service. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Foldda Automation to do so. In the last YouTube video, getting started with Foldda solution, I teach you uh, how to get Foldda by downloading to a download folder and just unzip into a new folder. The unzipped content is ready to run because it's a portable folder solutions or portable programs. So in last video we talk about how to run the solution manager, which is here using this video. Uh, and the second program in this folder is the Win service. That's where you can run your program in the background. So to install the Win service, you use this script called these two scripts. One is to install it, one is to uninstall it. So let's take a look at this script before we run it. So edit, can I edit? Yes. Okay. So basically, in this little simple script, it just gives its name. In this case, we call it order folder automation service. Then you run a couple of steps. One of the steps is to uh, it just temp delete it first, so just clean it up. So that's why it's called reinstall. But if you don't have that in the first place, this just runs throw error but doesn't do any harm. This line installs your service into the Windows, and we'll see that in a few seconds. And then that's pretty much it. What the script does. One important thing to do, uh, to realize is that you need to run this script as a system administrator because Windows only allows you to register a service uh, uh, as an administrator. Another thing I want to show you is this config file. Before we register this program as a service, this config file uh, has a number of things. One of the important thing is the because it's a service, it tells the Windows where the solution is, where to run. In this case, the solution will be in the folder called example solution, which is part of the download uh, as a pre-configured. But of course, you can change it to point to whatever solution you place it in the C drive or somewhere. In this case, it's relative path can be an absolute path, the C dot temp dot your solution and so on. Okay, now I have explained it. Let me just register. So at the moment, if I look at my service console, I refresh it. It doesn't have that program folder automation. So if I just run it now, run as administrator, it shows a blank screen, but on the other screen on my monitor, it shows, do you want to allow this to run? I said yes. So this is what the console did. It shows on the other screen, but it says this register has successfully run. So I just press any key to continue. If I come back to here, do a refresh, you can see this folder automation service being registered. Previously it wasn't here. And these point to the place where this program is. Okay, so on the description part of this, it tells you where this service point at. Okay, okay. Now we can start. It hasn't been started now. You can make it automatic start, of course, but we haven't started. To run this service, you need to use the solution manager program we had displayed last in the last video. Uh, we just uh, unload default one, the local solution for now, because we want to demonstrate how to operate the service uh, instance. So if we at the moment there's no solution running. So if I just start this, just watch this on this side, start. you see this solution shows up saying that on this computer, but it has a bracket says service. So this is running in the background. It's not that it's different from a solution you load from here. If I load the same solution here, example solution, it'll run the same solution, but this one doesn't have the service bracket. It runs the local solution, but this one is the, the service solution. The difference is that if I stop this, you can see the service solution disappears, right? So if I just unload this one and start this one again, so the service solution appears. So from here, using the solution manager, you actually operate what's running on the Windows service uh, as a service. So we can just start the solution like such. And what's the difference is that once it start running in the background, you can just quit this program. It will continue to run, right? So if I log out or whatever, it's continue to run. To prove it, if I just launch this program again, you can see this service automatically shows you it's still running. If I just stop one module, for example, right, and I close it and then start it again, it tells me that one module has been stopped, but it is still the solution running in the service. And that's pretty much it. That's how you run your service as a solution as a service. And the last bit, of course, is that you can uninstall it to wipe it clean. So you just clean up your solution by stopping it, of course. So you stopped, and then you can just close it. You run this script, say uninstall. You will see this disappears once you uninstall. Uh, Run as administrator, of course. Okay. In another screen, it prompts me saying, "Do you want to uninstall?" This says uninstall successful, and that's it. As I continue, and if I refresh this screen, that solution is gone. Yep, that's the end of this video. Uh, yeah, that's how you install your solution run as a background service. Hope that you find that useful for your development. Bye for now.